So today we're in beautiful Progreso, Mexico. And I know we've been gone for a while, about 5 months, but we will explain why we've been gone a little bit later on. But I need to go check on somebody. Hello.
Hi.
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Doing good. Almost done?
Yes.
Awesome.
So we came to Progreso for our baby moon. Progreso is like 20 minutes away from where we are, like where we live. So we came somewhere close because we are 38 weeks in a couple days. So that means the baby can come at any time. So stay tuned for our next upcoming videos where we'll be talking about the process of us having the baby, why we chose certain things for our baby. And also you can follow us on our social media accounts, Instagram, TikTok, and the other ones as well. We'll place those in the description below just so you can keep up with our process.